listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar, and today we are going to talk about how to become a physiotherapist in Singapore. To become a physiotherapist in Singapore, you need to fulfill certain eligibility criteria, gain relevant experience, and complete the necessary education and licensing requirements. Here is a step-by-step guide. Number 1, we'll talk about eligibility criteria. You must have at least a diploma or degree in physiotherapy from an approved educational institution. Your education program should be recognized by Allied Health Professions Council in Singapore. You need to be registered as a physiotherapist with Allied Health Professional Council. I will show complete procedure about how to register with Allied Health Professional Council of Singapore at the end of this video. So stay connected and watch this video till end. Talking about education criteria, obtain a diploma or degree in physiotherapy from a recognized educational institution. The program should include clinical placements to gain practical experience. Talking about clinical experience, you typically need to complete a minimum of 1,000 hours of clinical experience during your educational program. This experience is usually integrated into the curriculum, but may require additional placements or internships. Number 4, talking about registration and licensing. After completing your education, you must apply for registration as a physiotherapist with AHPC. We'll talk about complete procedure about how to apply for AHPC, so stay connected. Provide the necessary documentation, include proof of educational qualification, clinical experience, and criminal record checks. Pay the registration fees and licensing fees. Now let's talk about preparing for practice. Once registered, become a member of Physiotherapy Association Singapore, which offers professional support and development opportunities. Attend workshops, conferences, and seminars to enhance your skills and stay updated with latest research and techniques in physiotherapy. Consider pursuing advanced certifications or further specializations to enhance career prospects. Let's talk about the cost. The cost of becoming physiotherapist in Singapore can vary depending upon the institution offering the educational program. Tuition fees range from Singapore dollar 8,000 to 24,000 Singapore dollar per year. Additionally, you need to consider registration fees around Singapore dollar 200, licensing fees, and additional costs associated with clinical placements or internships. And these all costs may vary. So let's talk about how to apply for AHPC. So move towards the Google Chrome and simply write AHPC Singapore. And here's the website of AHPC Singapore. Moving down, scrolling down, and there is becoming a registered allied health professional. Click on becoming a registered allied health professional option, and there is application for registration. Click on application for registration, and here you go. There are two options, locally trained and foreign trained. We have to click on foreign trained allied health professionals. Scrolling down, so here's the complete information: eligibility, list of recognized qualifications, and bona fide letter. You must have your bona fide letter, and the documents required for registration. Here are the complete here's the complete detail for the documents required for Singapore Allied Health Professional registration, and here's the cost that is needed for Singapore registration, Allied Health Professional registration. So here's the complete procedure. You have to download your form and fill the application, log into the professional registration account, and there are the important notes here. Please wait for AHPC to contact with you regarding the clarifications. So complete your eligibility criteria and move to the AHPC website and download the form and fill the form, plus submit the fee. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.